What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight, and today we're finally doing the gaming review on the Moto G Stylus 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so we have a few games set up right here, but the first game we are testing out is actually going to be Pubg Mobile, and I know a lot of people wanted me to test out this game on this new device. So hopefully the rest of the games I play in this video are games that you guys mess with. And if you guys want me to test out any other games, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. But so far the graphics actually look really decent on the G Stylus 5G. This device is going to have the Snapdragon 480 5G processor in it, and we're going to have the Adreno 619 in this device for the GPU. We're also going to have the Cairo 460 for both of the cores inside of here, and we're just going to see how this looks. So far the graphics look pretty decent. I'm going to go ahead and try to find a weapon real quick, but the shadowing and everything looks pretty decent. It doesn't look like it's struggling to render anything, so kind of happy about that so far. Obviously you guys can cover up the speaker pretty easily on this device, so definitely be aware of that. That's going to be on the right side of the device or the left side depending on how you guys are holding the device. But we're going to go ahead and set this up right here and see if we can't get some eliminations real quick. Alright, so straight away we have somebody right here. Awesome. So responsiveness really good. It doesn't seem like there's any glitching in here as far as like when you get into combat, so that was nice. Also, that weapon I was using was super smooth. Let's try jumping out. I'm gonna actually go ahead and try this sniper out as well in a second, see how this looks. Skies look good, graphics look really good, lighting and shadowing looks good, rendering, everything seems like it's rendering pretty decently. Obviously, when we zoom in right here, we can see that all of those other objects and textures are actually going to show up in the distance, so that's nice to see. And if you guys are on this G Stylus or any other Motorola device for that matter, we do have our Motorola little game mode right here. So if you guys do want to video record or screen record your gameplay, screenshot, chat, you guys can go ahead and do that straight from there. So nice to see that we do have that option for the gamers out there. But this game definitely plays just fine. Next game we're going to be testing out, as you guys can see, is Call of Duty Mobile. So hopefully you guys do play this. Excited to test this out though. So mission is Frontline. We're on Nuketown. This is a really loud speaker. You know, this is a mono speaker, but it's actually super loud, so kind of do like that, especially for gaming. So far rendering looks good, graphics look good as well. Everything seems to be running really decently. Let's go ahead and try to do some combat real quick and knife somebody. Okay, so that works well. Cool. Let's go ahead and try that again. Missed. Cool. We got the last one right there. Got the victory. So that game is going to run very well as well. Graphics look good. Textures look good as well. And it was very smooth. Very surprised in the chipset so far though. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And the last game we're actually going to go ahead and try on the G Stylus 5G is going to be Mortal Kombat. So this is going to be a graphic intense game as well. I know you guys don't like me running Temple Run. I usually just run that as a little litmus test. But only graphic intensive games inside of this, so definitely excited to try this out and see how this looks on this device. Alright guys, so we're starting the game and it looks like that this isn't going to give us the full screen on here, but that's fine. Fighting games don't really matter, to be quite honest, as long as my FPS works correctly. But we're going to go ahead and see how this works. Everything's so smooth so far. I know this game is a little old, but let's go ahead and switch in someone else real quick. Sub-Zero is definitely my favorite character, sickest character. Definitely tell me in the comment section down below who your favorite character is. Let's go ahead and test out someone else. Boom. So we got the W right there. So everything seems to be working very, very well. So excited about the G-Stylus 5G. Yeah, as you guys saw, the G-Stylus 5G ran those games pretty much perfectly. So I'm excited to try out some more things on this device. If you guys have any more ideas or you guys want me to run any more games on this device, definitely let me know in the comments section down below. But if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.